Today we're going to be taking a look at the Heliway Toyen 903HS. Now, I had the 903 before and I sent it out to somebody, but it didn't have video. So I've got this one now that has the video. Now, that other one was fantastic. Okay, the 903 was just incredible. Super fast, handled like a dream. It was great. So now this one has Wi-Fi video, so let's see if it still if it still holds up. Okay, because you know that Wi-Fi. Sometimes that can mess with things, but we'll see, right? I mean, that's what we do. We see things. Let's get it out of the box and check it out. Here we go out of the box. The usual suspects. They come in these boxes, okay? Here's the quadcopter itself. Here's your little Wi-Fi antenna right there. There's the unit. Very nice, very nice. Looks just like the other one I had, except this one has the camera there. I think my other one had a light on it. Or maybe it had nothing. I think it has lights up here. So there's the little pinhole camera. It's very sturdy. It's like a Mambo. That's what the design is, you know. It's the same thing, open frame type deal. Here's the battery. Now, I can't find anywhere on here what the size of the battery is. It looks like it's probably like an 800. That's what it feels like. It is kind of heavy feeling. Yeah, I'm not going to go back and look through my old video to see if I can find the battery size. It's just not that important, to be honest. Let's see how long it flies. That's what matters, right? Here's the transmitter. And I remember this thing here. It had this little rate dial instead of a button. It had this little dial for the speed. Then it had this super flip mode. There's the video, photo, headless mode, and you can turn the lights on and off right here. And then here's your trims. Now on the back, I remember that held these excessive amount of batteries. 6 AA batteries, which I think is kind of, it's a bit much. But it is what it is. But it is a very nice controller. It's feels very solid. So it's not real cheap feeling. So that's pretty decent. Here's your charger. It's just one of them little USB things with the red light, and then it goes out when it's done. Here's your spare stuff. Pop removal tools, props, and the prop guards. Here's your manual. Now, I looked all through the manual. It didn't say anything about it in the manual about the size of the battery. So I looked for that. Didn't say it in there. You might have to just go on the website, wherever it's advertised, Banggood, Gear Best, wherever. And if you look through the ad, I'm sure it's in the ad there somewhere. Then here's your QR codes for the app. I'm going to fire up my phone here real quick to get the app. The app is called Heliway FPV. So let's put this battery in real quick. And turn it on. I know there's an on and off button here somewhere. Here it is. It's on the bottom. Does them lights come on or no? Oh, I held it on. That's why it went back out. Okay, the level calibration is down and to the left. Now let's check out the Wi-Fi signal. Okay, the Wi-Fi signal is going to be called Wi-Fi UFO. I know I just seen it there. Here it is right there. Wi-Fi UFO. Keeps disappearing, but I'll get it. Okay, we're on it, and then the name of the app is Heliway FPV. So actually, you could just go to the App Store, whatever, and type that in. There it is. Checking the lag out, which there is some. Okay, the video looks very the 480-ish. Okay, so yeah, I'm sure that's what we'll get. 480i probably. Maybe if we're lucky, maybe 360p. Who knows? I got a better idea. Let's just go out and fly it. How about that? Hey, we're out here with the Heliway 903HS. Right there it is. This classic. It's sweet, no doubt. We came over to this park. The Steeler game's on, so nobody should be showing up. Everybody's home watching football, except me, because I can't stand watching these sports without nobody in the stands. It just doesn't seem the same. So let's get this baby up in the air and check it out. This is the one with the video, so we're gonna get some video. Okay, let's get this thing going. Let's get the video started here. I don't trust that. Let me start it on the app. Okay, that looks better. This is the Heliway with the video. Okay, so now we got the high rate going. Let's bring that down one. That third rate is fast as heck in this thing. Really fast. Okay, let's check out the camera real quick before we do all this spinning around. We'll just take it up away. Up. Okay, now that I got that straightened out. So we got to see what the camera looks like, which I really don't care with this thing. This thing's about flying it around. This thing's extremely nimble, as you can see. All right, let's check the flips out, or as they call them, super flips. Okay, the super flips work good, okay? And it flips in all directions. I think that's still in the third rate. Let me bring it down to the second rate. I think that's the second rate. It's still nimble as can be. And even in the second rate, it's still super fast. I'll put the flight time in there. Yeah, this thing's a real screamer. This is an awesome flyer here. I had one, I think I gave it to Mike. Pretty sure I did. And then I got this one, but the one I gave Mike didn't have the video, so I got this one because it has the video. Figured I'd try out the video one. Didn't cost any more than the other one, to be honest. This, I think it's discontinued. I got it pretty cheap. You can see the difference in the second rate from the first rate, believe me. Let's put it back up in that third rate. Wow. This thing is as fast as it gets, boys. I think the battery's crapping out. I think the battery just died. Yep. Well, all that pushing that so hard like that's going to wear the battery out pretty quick. You know, I wasn't doing no hovering. Okay, so yeah, I saved the video, so that should be good. That should work out. So yeah, that thing flew great, man. That Heliway, that thing is bad. That thing is nice. All right, guys, there you go, Heliway. I'll talk to you later. Have a nice day.